Today topic is national income. So what is mean by national income? Where does we are using this national income? So this national income in economic part, apart from the economic national income, so it is useful for the nations, it is useful for the state, it is useful for the countries and everything. So what are the things are involved in national income? So national income is the measure of all the goods and services. National income is a measure the all the goods and services, all the goods and services are produced by a country during the given a period of time. So in this national income, it's related to completely goods and services produced by the country during a given period of time. So with this connection, without any duplication in this connection, the National Income Committee formed 1949. National Income Committee formed. National Income Committee formed 1949. So 1949. In this regarding 1949, the national income estimate the measure of the volume. National income estimate the measure of the volume of commodities and services. Commodities and services out of during the given period of counted without any duplication. So in this National Income Committee formed 1949. So in this period, the commodities of all goods and services, commodities of all goods and services, we are analyzing in the national income, goods and services. Okay, so in this goods and services, where you purchase and where you sell, where you sold out our goods and services from one place to another place, from one country to another country, we are in this regarding in this national income. Meanwhile, importing and exporting of goods and services. Okay, so the right now definitions of national income, I'm telling. Definition of national income. Definition of national income. So write down all of you. In other words, national income statistics provide a which view of the country, entire the economy, as well as of the various group of in the population who participate the product. So these national income, we are going to calculate the labor and capital of country. So first one, under national income, so this is completely statistical process and provide the country's economy So under this national income, which kind of things are we are calculating? Labor, capital, states, expenditure, and annual status. So under this national income, we are calculating countries, states, countries, things. That is what producers income and receivers income and producers income and receivers income. Producers income and receivers income. So under this national income, we are going to calculate this statistical process. This is completely, so under this statistical process, we are going to calculate the annual status of countries, annual status of states. So in this statistical countries, in this annual process, we are measuring of GST, SGST, IGST and UGST and everything. So these things are we are calculating under national income according to the producers income and producers receivings. So this is the thing of national income. The labors of capital country and the natural resources produce annually certain net aggregate commodities under we are calculating under this national income. So the national income derived. Simple definition according to Fisher, national income include that income which can be measured in terms of money. That can be measured in terms of money. National income include which that can be measured in terms of money. In terms of money, it is called national income. Simple definition. Next one, in this national income, we are going to analyze. So this national income. So we are having different concept under national income. What are the concepts we are discussing right now? Concepts of national income. So GDP, this is the first concept, GDP. Next one, GNP. Next one, NNP. These are the concept under national income. And next one, PI. Next one, DI. And next one, again DI. So these are the concept of national income. So this national income undergoes to the different types we are having. That is what GDP means, gross domestic product. Gross domestic product. Next one, GNP, gross net product. Next, NNP. Next, net national product. Next one, PI, personal income. Next one, DI, domestic income. Next, DI again, disposable income. So domestic income and disposable income, these are the concept of national income. Now the point is gross domestic product, GDP. So this GDP, gross domestic product, is a measure of national income which is used macroeconomics. Gross domestic product, or which is used under macroeconomics. So macroeconomics, I already said to you in previous class what is macroeconomics and microeconomics. According to formulation, gross domestic product, total flow of goods and services produced by an economy in the market. So in this GDP, within the specified period of time, we are going to calculate it in the GDP. So this GDP can also define as a differentiate of income earned locality. So this national price of market price under involved in GDP. So this GDP going to calculate the gross domestic product, the total flow of goods are calculating under this method. So gross domestic product, if it is specified any period of time, usually we are going to calculate in the year. So in particular year. So these goods and services, wherever you go, so compulsory GDP, it's a measure in manufacturing or industry sector, overall who are doing business activities, compulsory we need to prepare GDP. This is what international level or national level we are having in the market. That is what GDP, gross domestic product. Gross value we are calculating, goods and gross value we are calculating after finishing good. It is called gross domestic product. Next one, gross national product. So this is what under in between under country. This is what in between under country, gross national product. Gross national product is the sum of market value. Gross national product, sum of market value. Sum of market value. Gross national product, sum of market value. So in this sum of market value, all final goods and services are produced. Final goods and services within the organization we are calculating, including after finishing good or making goods. So in this one, after finishing good, we are going to calculating GNP, market value. So all final goods and services that are produced in a country during a given period of time is as well as similarly equal to GDP. Meanwhile, GDP, when we are calculating GDP, however, the GNP is also calculating at the same time. Okay. So these market prices as given period of time, usually 1 year, the market value of final goods here means that value of all goods and services, So what is the process we are going to calculate? Means GNP is equal to gross national product is equal to GDP plus NFIA. This is the formula of GNP. GNP is equal GDP plus NFIA. NFIA means net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad. So this is the abbreviation of NFIA. Net factor, which is we are invested in out country, other country. Now we are going to take an extra amount on particular investment, or that's why we call it as a net profit income from abroad. So this is the gross national product. The next one. NNP, net national product. So one more name is there, net domestic product. We call it as some other name. Net national product, net domestic product. This is the process. The product NNP, net domestic product, is a concept. The main concept is national income, net domestic product, macroeconomic. We are going to analyze under this product, under this net domestic product. So this obtained by the dedicating of depreciation during the course of production. This concept is national net product. Concept is simply the net national product is obtained by the deducting of depreciation during the course of production from gross national profit. Gross national profit minus NNP, deducting from the source of amount from this gross national product. After that we are getting net domestic product. This is the process of net national product. See, NNP, what is the formula? NNP is equal to GNP minus D. This is the formula. NNP is equal to, how do we get the national net product? NNP is equal to gross D. What is D? D means depreciation. Of goods and services, depreciation. So this is what GNP minus D. Yes, NNP is equal to GNP minus D. So is equal D in the sense depreciation. So we are subtracting from the depreciation from gross national product. So that is NDP is equal to national domestic product. National domestic product is equal to GDP minus D again. So this is net national product is national domestic product. So NNP and NDP are the measures of the national income that are available for consumptions, and net investment to the society, net investment to the society. So which is we are manipulating in the country. So compulsory we are going to calculate this method. That is what NNP and NDP. Overall country level of investment and net product and goods and services we are analyzing from this NNP and NDP under net domestic product. Net domestic product. In this net national product, NNP is equal to GNP minus D is equal to NDP is equal to NNP minus D is equal to NNP D minus NDP is equal to NNP minus D. So this is what overall complete net national income under process. So next one, personal income. PI, personal income. So personal income is defined as the total income received by the individuals. Personal income means, so what is the meaning personal income? Personal income as defined as the total income received by the individuals. Total income received by the individuals. Total income received by the individuals from all the sources of income. From all the sources of income. From all the sources of income. It is called personal income. So this personal income means here only we are knowing that personal means it is an individual. So those who are getting extra amount on particular amount, we call it as an income. So this total income received by the individuals from all the sources of income, we call it as a personal income. So this personal income including salaries, including bonus, including dividends, including earnings from self-employment or earning from interest, okay, pensions, old age benefits and family allowances and social securities allowances. So unemployment allowances also included in personal income. See that how to calculate personal income means PI is equal to national income minus undistributed company profit, undistributed company profits plus surplus plus public undertaking shares, public undertaking shares plus transfer payments, plus interest amount. So PI means personal income is equal, how do we get personal income? National income minus, from national income minus undistributed company profit plus surplus plus public undertaking shares plus transfer of payments plus interest amount. We are subtracted from the national income. After that we get only personal income within the country. So next, disposable income. ID to calculate. I in the sense income, D means disposable, ID. The symbol of ID. Disposable income, ID refers to the disposable income, ID refers to the income which the people get actually to spend. All the incomes that individual gets is not a disposable, because the person who get an income from all the sources, okay, from all the sources, all the income that individual gets is not a disposable. Who are getting individual income, that is not, we could not calculating under disposable income, that is goes to personal income, right? So yes, so disposable, because a part of it is to be paid in the form of income tax and other direct taxes, it is called disposable income. We paid it as a income tax and other tax, so we calculating under disposable income. So disposable income, DI, disposable income is equal to personal income minus which one? Personal income minus personal taxes. Personal taxes. We get disposable income. So simply students, disposable income to measure the actually spend of amount that particular things. Okay. You could not get an individual income. We could not calculating in this measure. So calculating, but we are subtracted from the taxes. So that is called disposable income. Okay. Next, domestic income. Domestic mean within the country, we call it as domestic, under one country. So domestic income refers to the income generated by the production. Income generated by the production. Domestic income means income generated by the production. Income generated by the production. So this production, okay, so this domestic income, so we are getting income from within the country, we call it as domestic. So own resources, we get own resources under within the country, we get income. Okay, so domestic income or domestic product, we call it as a domestic income or domestic product. So domestic income include wages and salaries. Domestic income include wages and salaries. Income including wages and salaries and interest and rent and dividend and rent and dividend and distributions of goods and services and everything. So these things are surplus of a public undertaking, mixed income of individual income from the companies. So these domestic income can also obtained by the difference of net income earned from, difference of net income earned from and national income. So domestic, how do we calculate domestic income? Is equal, domestic income is equal to national income minus net abroad, NFIA, net national income from abroad, net national income from abroad, net national income from abroad. So we are subtracted from the national income, subtracted from national income, we get only domestic income. Domestic means within the country we are supplying the goods and services. So next, private income or personal income is over. Private income and net national product market price. So we are having total 12 incomes. We are having total 12 incomes. That is what net national product and net national product factor cost income and next, so real income and per capita income. So the two things are important, real income and per capita income. Real income and per capita income. So what is real income? Thus where we are using this real income. Okay, real income refers to the national income expressed in terms of generated in terms of general price level. So in this real income to expressed, this real income is expressed in terms of general price, in terms of general price of product levels, general price of product levels, product levels. So this particular year, within the year, the terms of price within the year we are going to calculating under this real income. The concept of real income was pronounced mainly to avoid mistakes into the national income. Mainly this concept is real income, mainly avoid mistakes from national income calculation. So real income is also known as national income at constant price. National income at constant price. So real income is equal to real income is equal to NNP current year. NNP current year is equal to base year index divided by current year index. Base year index divided by current year index. This is the formula of real income. After that we get, when we are tabulated this formula into the price, after that we get only real income of country. So this is the formula. Next, per capita income. So per capita income. Somewhere we are using per capita income. What is meant by per capita income? Per capita income is the average income of the individuals. Average income of the individuals. Per capita, per means each, capita means national. So per capita income means averaging divided by 2. We are going to calculate under divided by 2. Average income of the individuals. Average income of the individuals in a nation, in a given period of time. In a nation, a given period of time, we are going to calculating the per capita income. So what is the per capita income annual year? Is equal to per capita income. Per capita income is equal to annual year. National income of that year. National income of that year. National income of that year. Population of the that year. Population of that year. This is the formula of per capita income. So these methods are involved under national income. If any doubt, please ask me, dear students, and please ping me my number and everything. So these doubts, whenever you get doubts, please ask me. This is the economic status, so that's why I'm telling the brief explanation with you. Okay, so please ping my number and do comment. Thank you very much. Tomorrow itself we are going to discuss with another topic, that is interesting topic. This is also interesting and it is most important topic for your external exam. Thank you very much.